Hello, girl. Today we're gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars. Yeah, Angry Birds Star Wars. So where were we again? Can't remember. I think we were on this one. 10. I think we did that one. Oh. Okay, so I think we're on the dark. Yep, dark side. Okay, port side, I should say. Port side. Okay, where are we? Okay. Brother, hello. Or am I a girl? Am I a girl or are you a boy? There. That took some damage. Not actually. That sucked. Okay, what's this? Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's see here. We are. Okay, that killed nobody. Okay, how about we aim for the bottom of their landing? Right, somewhere like right there. And nope, it didn't break. The pieces went to shreds. For that matter. Oh yeah! Oh, I almost got him. Almost got the last birdie. Get a good angle. No, I did not get a good angle. Oh wait, never mind, I did. Okay, there's the birdies are going down. Okay, okay, the birds are dead. No, it's the pigs that are dead, I mean. Should I say pigs? Wow. Oh, there's a TNT all there the whole time. There. Okay, TNT has killed all the birdies. I mean piggies. Pigs, birds, whatever. And I miss. Thanks. Okay. Try this again, because that was an epic fail for the birds. And now we see some zombies. What are you zombies doing? They're just planting some food. Oh, bonus. I don't know if I have enough money for that. That dude. Okay. That was an epic failure. Okay, hiya! And whoa! Dead. Okay, I killed them without the TNT. That's very neat. Okay, Okay, that's the last birdie. I mean chicken. Bird. I'm not sure. I keep saying chicken. They're not gonna make it. This thing's not gonna make it. If he can he? Oh. I wasted that last bird. Whoops. No. And the dragons. Everyone hates dragons in here. Mostly dragons, because dragons are Come here. There you go. And wow, that wood took some damage to him. Wait, I said toots. Toots. Yeah. Booyah! Yeah, birds. Oh, I got a map. I thought you guys were gonna die. Please. Make it! And it did not make it. Choose somebody that's awesome and cool. Who's awesome? You. I want to use you. You're awesome. Oh yeah. Okay, that did not get him. Okay, so we need someone to shoot. Shoot them in the face. Okay, we'll use you. Perfect position to kill your own kind. Kinda. Yeah. Oh my god, there's a last birdie. Okay. Who we use? Oh, we use Mr. Fatty. Fatty McCrabby Patty. Okay, squish him. Boom. I should have done that the whole time. Man, I'm so dumb. I should have done it from the start. I should have, because it would have been much easier and much quicker. Oh, you get a map. You get a bonus. Bonus piece. Wow, that's pretty neat. I never saw this bonus thing. Bonus map thing. Or do we get to skip? And we get a prize for it. And we get more fat dudes and more... I don't know what those things are. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I know how to use these guys. Okay, up in the air he goes and where is he? Oh. And he breaks into pieces. That's pretty dumb. Okay, let's try this. Either that or he's a bowling ball. Spin. Rest in peace. Pieces of the robot. This robot sucks. Let's check that dude with the hair. Give me your hair. I want beautiful hair. Like you. And he died. Let's use somebody else. These guys suck. Okay, let's use you. So what do? You go to metal. You shoot and you go through metal. Oh, breaks through metal. Okay. Pretty neat. Okay. That almost killed everybody. Okay. Everybody's almost there. Let's use this dude, whoever it is. Okay, so you have a grappling hook just like that weird dude with the tongue. Remember that weird dude with the tongue. Come here. Get over here. One pig dead. I mean, pig, bird, whatever. Man, dumb. This is you, Fatty McCrabby Buddy! Dude, that's gonna kill somebody. This is you. It's easy. I remember you guys from the start from somewhere. I think I know you guys. Target acquired. Oh, I did. Oh, 50 pig left. That guy was OP. Okay, is there a lost birdie? Where's the birdie? I haven't seen no birdie. Okay, it's a good thing there's no birdie. And then it'll suck. Yeah. And I got another present. The Illuminati confirmed. I'm skipping. I'm Jesus. I am Jesus. Something about Jesus I don't know. Okay. Boy. Okay, the TNT, no! I'm gonna rescue that TNT. TNT, my true love! No! Fall on them. Nope, he's taking them with them. And... never mind, it was an explosion. I thought I heard. Right through the wall of Donald Trump. What? Oh my God! It's just like September 11th. Okay, let's try this again. I want to do that. Okay. Do it like the last one. Oh yeah! That did not work. Okay, that was a fail. I didn't know how to do that. Directly put it right there, boy. And we were not supposed to do that. Let's just take him underwater. Because you know why? Because we want to explore under the sea. Under the... oh, he did not made it. He made it way to his... oh my God. Okay, wait. And he got out of the water. Let's see here. Somewhere like right there. I turned into a little rolling roll. Oh my God, he's wrecking everyone. Oh my God. Everyone go down. It's September 11. Not actually, but it looks like it. Look. Oh, damn. Or was it September 11th? I don't know. Whoo. Top score. Yeah. Top score. Top score, I said. 3 stars. Yes. Yes. Got 3 stars. Okay, I'm almost finished with the level. All I need to go is into the 10th level? 10th. Ooh, I'm you again. Yeah. Oh, yeah, electric. Okay, why is that thing in the way? Oh. Crashing down, Godzilla! Well, now we know who really killed the beast. It was electric that killed the beast. Oh my God! Oh yeah! Oh wait! Stop right there. hold on to your bird seeds because we have a way. Dun 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 dun. Dun! That almost worked. Okay. It almost worked, but it did fail. It failed like a great failure. I suck. So let's try this again. Okay. Yeah. Push and push them off. Okay. Oh my god, electricity! I never knew electricity could do that. I'm like the electro wizard. Finally, death. For both of you! Except for that last one over there. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. You! Okay. Target acquired. Target acquired. Oh, target acquired. I target acquired a long time. Pretty dumb. Because the last time I saw that those one with the white, yeah, they're fake. They're actually like a little mask that they're hiding from the good birds. Yeah, that's one thing I know about that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, oh man, were you again? Man, I hate you. Hiya! Oh, dude! Dude, that's, oh my god, that's a lot of electricity. And you're going down with him. Jeez, no one survived that one, dude. Chill. It's just a game. Just chill, okay? Just a game, it's not your life. Okay. Yeah, score. Yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video with me playing some Angry Birds Star Wars. Maybe next time we'll do this last level, the 8, which we didn't do now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video with me playing some more Angry Birds Star Wars. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.